The bend feature is a handy tool to use when you want to bend a portion of the template to fit on a smaller roll. Start by selecting the template, then click on Bend. Once the outline is green, place 2 anchor points on the selection you want to bend. Then simply click on the plus or minus key at the top right of the screen. Repeat the process for the other side of the template. Keep in mind that bending the arms of the template will cause the template to need to be stretched or compressed during installation. Note the new size of the template. You can now cut this bumper on a 30-inch wide film.